for the camera, we're going to test the hood and see if it is finally going to shut for me without issue and open again. So here we go. And I haven't tested it before this. Just been dealing with hood issues. Be like, oh, come on, baby. Okay, this side feels firm. The other side, as you might notice, it popped up. Okay, it doesn't want to stay down. It feels like I'm, oh jeez. As soon as you drive somewhere, it's going to pop up. But we're doing better. That side seems to be pretty level. Last time we tried to shut it, it was sinking down and it was not working. We put popsicle sticks under it and then it was too high. So we found what we thought was the right level, epoxied it. This one does stay down, but it doesn't stay down for long. Open this up. It's already popped up. Okay, that side pops. So still with the hood issues, I'm gonna have to do something on this side. Cut. Which sucks because I don't know what to do next. I'm just winging it here.